You want the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Canary Yellow for retail? Well, here's what you need to know to increase your chances. Starting off, these are set to release on Friday, May 17th. Retail will be $150, and don't be surprised if the drop date does change. Don't worry, we'll keep you up to date. These should drop on Travis Scott's website first. Make sure you know when this goes live and how to get multiple entries in. Don't worry, Kick will text you for when this goes down. Here's a little tip when entering on Travis Scott's website. Make sure your information is unique. This will stop you from getting filtered out by their bot protection. Then we should see a sneakers release as well. This will most likely load up as a Dan drop. Online and local boutiques will also have raffles for these. Make sure you locate your stores and have full access to raffle lists because this is going to increase your chances greatly. If you want a full guide on our SMS texting list and one-on-one support, comment CANARY down below. We will send you full access to our Discord server, and we're going to help you every step of the way when this drop does happen.